Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Contouring, putting an outline around an object. Somebody sent me this little bird and they want to cut it out with a sticker. Well, it's a bitmap. If you go to effects and contour, the contour is grayed out because it's not going to work. So this bird is less than 4 inches. So I'm going to set my nudge factor on 4 and I'm going to make 2 copies. This one, I am going to left click. Well, I got ahead of myself. I'm going to go to Trace Bitmap, Outline Trace Clip Art. And you can see it's got some white, and the white's still there. You won't want it in, let's say you're an engraver, you don't want that white. Remove color from entire image. And then move it over, then make a copy. This one, I'm going to do this 2 different ways. I'm going to left click, right click. And then you can see this is highlighted. And I'm making a outline. That might be too thick. Let's go like 0.1 inch. And it put that like that. Now, what that did do is put it to the inside. So it's no big deal. Just go to Object, break the contour part, get your contour, move this out of the way, and just go to Object and break the curve apart, and then just grab the outside contour, leaving the other stuff which you don't want. If you contour it with color, and where I took all the fill away, it's going to contour that in a gray fill. Now, you could still deal with that. Go up to Object, break the contour apart, grab the contour, and see it did the same thing, but you can left click, right click in red, go up to Object, break the curve apart, and then move the red back. So you can do it both ways. The only other way to do it with the black, if you have something that you don't want to remove it. And we could also, I should have done that. Let's do this. Let's hit the plus key, take away the fill, add an outline in black, contour in red, go up to Object, break the contour apart, grab this and move it over, break the curve apart, and just grab your outside line and then put it on your one with the fill. That way your bird is still intact. You could still fill this in. Matter of fact, it's all probably connected with black. So we could take the Smart Fill tool, and I'm going to use blue just so it'll show up, and then pick something that you know is black, like right there, and see what it did. Well, then there's still a few more spots. So it's easier to do the other way. Now, the other way to do it is to take a rectangle or a square, take the Smart Fill tool, fill that in, and look at that, and then left click, right click in black, contour it, go up to Object, break the contour apart. That's what happens when you still have the Smart Fill in your hand, and then move that up, and look at that, you have a contour around the bird. So more than one way to do some things. This is going to be very handy sometimes. Maybe when you don't want to delete the colors and so on. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.